Welcome everyone, and as always, the first step is going to be washing your hands. Once your hands are thoroughly washed, you're going to grab 4 Roma tomatoes, cut them in half, grab a spoon to remove the seeds, and dice the tomatoes. Tomatoes in the US typically come from Florida and Mexico, traveling close to 1,400 miles to get to your plate. After you've sliced and diced the tomatoes, grab a large white onion and dice 2/3 of it. Once you have cut your onion, grab your cabbage and then cut 2/3 of it into shredded thin pieces. Once finished with the cabbage, cut your jalapeno in half, take out the seeds with a spoon, and dice it up. Once everything is chopped, add everything to a bowl, cut your lime in half, and squeeze the juice on top. After that, add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything up thoroughly. Then you get ready to serve your pico de gallo in a half-cut avocado with the seed removed.